Mortgage rates went on a wild ride last week. Let's break down exactly what went down.
Yeah, if you're feeling some whiplash from last week's rates, you are definitely not alone.
Friday, specifically, was a tough one. It really showed us just how shaky things are right now.
I mean, rates jumped up by nearly 0.3%. That's a huge move.
It meant lenders had to keep repricing for the worse multiple times in just one day.
But then Monday rolled around and the story totally flipped with some pretty good news.
So what's really going on here? What's causing these massive swings?
Well, a huge part of it is actually geopolitics, believe it or not.
Turns out, a single tanker getting through a key waterway safely really calmed the markets.
That one event brought optimism. Oil prices dropped and the bond market started to recover. But, and this is a big but, things are still super volatile out there.
So yeah, it's way too early to think rates are just going to keep dropping from here.
Okay, so with all that in mind, what should be on your radar this week?
This week is packed. We've got housing data, jobless claims, and the big one, the Fed speaks.
Literally, any of these data points can change things in an instant.
It's a perfect example of how one single piece of news can shift the entire market.
So the takeaway? The market is super sensitive to, well, pretty much everything right now.
Which leaves you with one big question. In a market this wild, do you act or do you wait?